Well, today we on it on our next journey. Mr. Abba preparing himself to take down this bees swarm from right here to put in this box. It's all about getting ready to do all the works. And this is a smoker. It's getting ready. Oh gosh, this weed is strong. Abba is preparing to do all that work right there. It's not any small work at least, but at the moment he's preparing himself right properly. Right there, stuff in the box. Okay. Well, right there, you're gonna break this leaf right there, this little limb. Then all the way down into the box. Gonna give it a little shake or something like that. Then you're gonna go right there. There's another one. Right there. This is a bigger one than the first one. Here we go, taking up the box because it's a bigger one. Right there. We go right back at it. That's a big one. So now it's breaking like a breaking news. Hit the jackpot. We're gonna take it down slowly. You cannot rough up the bees like you're doing war zone. Well, it's coming down. Oh, he's got it in the box. Okay. Well, here we go. I don't know if we're gonna use the smoker at this moment. Well, we're gonna use it right there. Right there is getting ready to try capsize these bees from.
Okay, if you want to subscribe, this trick that I'm using right now, we're actually trying to get the bees off the tree and into the box. If you can come around here and look, you can see that the bees are going into the box slowly. They're making a beeline into the box. They're climbing down on the leaves and they're slowly going into the box. So it's not that easy, but it's that easy. Take a while.
And that's Water Bob getting the thing right properly. Right back down to satisfaction.
So my YouTube friends, guess what? It's been a rough year for us here. As I was telling you before, the past video that I did before this one, I'm gonna link it up in the description. That we're actually having a swarm problem right now. This is actually a full apiary of a full hive of bees right here that just was even inspected a couple days ago, and then this happened. So as you can see right here, this is not a normal swarm. This is a super seizure. This is what they call it, a super seizure. This is what the entire hive live. And luckily the apiary is close by, so it didn't go very far. So imagine people, if something like this come at your house, come visit you. You can call us. Yeah, 2 grand, honey on the rock, Water Bob. We'll come and take it for a cost though, Costs a lot to do this type of work. Professionalism and everything. We have to wait for a little bit. but they're going in. They're slowly entering it.
You know, so if your name put a newspaper, then you'll climb in front of the door. Eh?
Come on, every channel in
Yeah, but the newspaper, you see them swarm up right to the newspaper there.
you don't see the one every channel in. Every channel in the better.
Them are going, man. They're going in inside, man. Properly. But it's gonna take a while. But people, right now, we're gonna give it a cut break of seeing these bees going down little by little, little by little. At least it almost come a successful evening. Right now, Water Bob is the man for the job. So people, this man, look at this man properly. When you have your bees giving you trouble at home and you want to get rid of them.
No, we don't get rid of bees. We reel look.
Oh shit, man.
Dead.
Yeah. I went here, there's no missing, and I went through the atrium, there's none missing.
So from your one next seven bees this. It's a bee there. Nice. I listen to it and I'm going to be able to. I'm going to be able to.
Come on, then we're going through the summer.
Yeah, man, eh. No one ever go in there now and have a little session, brother. I can lock you back a movie. But it cannot take too long.
Yeah, but them are going, see them are going there now through the
They don't need to go in that way.
You want another smoker?
Yeah, two smokers that go and puff them and we can rush them. This is one big hive.
yeah. And maybe I want to go here and come back.
Eh?
Or somewhere to come from.
Shit. So the Jennifer when I say it come from out of a rock. So the bees when they're full capacity of us, but this is the thing.
Where rock?
Bees are being
Where
swarming a
rock?
lot right now, but it's not swarm season. Oh, ball, is it?
Oh, what?
Ball.
What kind of ball? Oh. I'm more than one, you know.
What that one, a ball?
Yes, one or so too.
You want to be the vitamin and smoke, you want to catch it.
Ah! Your gloves there.
Catch it ball.
And see how one ball on your foot.
Hard operation, but I don't want one. I want ball in.
One or so.
So people, these are some bees balls. So I'm not sure if the queen is in one of them. So I'm actually slowly.
You should not smoke, you know. So just take off it. So see how run them.
Oh man, remember, you know, say, you have to smoke every them ball up. I smoking them ball up, you know.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
She have sitting in there where they can't eat. She have sitting in there where they can't eat.
They already have food already. They have money in them. Home they need, you know. So peeps, each time the bees do a swarm, they actually prepare whatever they need. The young have the honey to make the comb, and they also will go and forage for nectar. The only thing that they don't have with them right now is pollen. so they will get pollen once they get a good home. As we can see that we are slowly giving them the nudge to go down. With a little bit of smoke, will do the trick.
Yeah. Come down some more with that one there. You could almost take off that one there.
So remember peeps, in Jamaica, it's a tropical country, and we have a different type of situation with bees because most time in United States, North America, to be specific, that's Canada and the United States, you will not be seeing a swarm in these type in those areas because it kind of been a little bit cold for them. But in Jamaica, this is classified as a normal occurrence. Nice ball.
Can't take that ball, you know.
You know, when I touch it, I take the time and make it push. Time. But surely.
Well, water bob. This production. This production is not so easy to accomplish. Well, it seems like they was gonna make a nest inside the tree root. Because they gone all the way up. They're coming out. Alright, but I guess the smoke is not enough. But I feel you should put something sweet where the bees would like in the box. Because right now I ain't see they're going properly. Anyway, they're going inside still, but it could be much easier.